You spend 4 years studying in mechanical engineering, solving problems, writing exam and scoring marks. But the moment you enter in industry, everything changes. Suddenly, machines don't behave like a textbook. Problems don't have direct formulas, and no one tells you exactly what to do. Why does this happen? Why do so many mechanical engineers struggle in their first job? In this video, I will share the real truth based on 16 years of experience in mechanical design and manufacturing. Welcome to Abhi Mechanical Design, from theory to real machine design. Here, we focus on practical mechanical design, the way it is actually done in industry. Now, let us understand the real problem. Why do so many mechanical engineers struggle in industry? The issue is not that engineers don't study. The issue is that they are trained differently. In college, we solve problems for exams, but in industry, we solve real problems where the conditions are not ideal and the answers are not given. In college, the problems are given to you. In industry, you have to find the problems first. Let me explain with the real example. In college, the question is calculate the diameter of the shaft. Everything is given. But in industry, the machine stops working. No one tells you the reason. You have to check, is it shaft failure, bearing issue, misalignment, overload. You inspect, analyze, and find the root cause. So, your first job is not solving the problem, it is understanding what the actual problem is. Reason 1: too much theory and very little practical thinking. In college, we assume ideal conditions, but in industry, nothing is ideal. A shaft was designed properly using formulas, but during the operation, it fell because load was not constant, there was a vibration, there was a misalignment. Engineering is not just a calculation, it is understanding the real condition. Reason 2: no exposure to real machines. In one assembly, two parts were not fitting. Drawing was correct, but due to the tolerance stack up, a small variation added up. Result: parts did not fit. In real life, even 0.1 mm matters. Reason 3: lack of design thinking. A new engineer selected a bearing using a load calculation, but did not consider speed, lubrication, mounting condition. Bearings fail within a day. Design is not just a calculation, it is a decision making. Reason 4: fear of responsibility. A simple bracket was designed. It looked fine, but during operation, due to the dynamic load, it started cracking. Machine stopped. Production loss happened. Engineering mistakes have real impact. Reason 5: no manufacturing understanding. Some design cannot be manufactured. Very tight tolerances, impossible machining conditions. Workshop cannot make it. If it cannot be manufactured, it is not a good design. The solution. So, what should you do? Start thinking like an engineer, not just a student. Observe machines. Understand how the parts are made. Ask why and how. Think about real conditions. Don't just study engineering. Start seeing engineering in real life. With more than 16 years of hands-on experience in mechanical design and SPM, I have seen this gap in many engineers, and it can be improved. If you want to become a real mechanical design engineer, not just a degree holder, subscribe to Abhi Mechanical Design, because here we focus on real world engineering. At the last, think, design, and build. Thank you.